Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southern Caldwell Parish in north-central Louisiana, northeastern Wausau Parish in north-central Louisiana, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Alla, or 12 miles southwest of Columbia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbia, Alla, Clarks, Grayson, Spalding, Burlington, Standard, and Kelly. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.